How to make a wire bonsai. Step 1. Pick out a wire. Step 2. Cut the wire to the desired length. Step 3. Struggle with near invisible wire to cut at desired length. Come on. Step 4. Pick out a bead color. Step 5. Pick a thing to put some beads in. Step 6. Pour some beads into desired container. Step 5 might not seem important, but it is. Otherwise, you'll have beads everywhere. Step 7. Pull out one wire from your mass of pre-cut wires. Step 8 of how to make a wire bonsai. Take the wire you pulled out from the wire mass of pre-cut wires and string desired amount of beads onto wire. Be sure to hold both ends, otherwise they'll slide off the other side. Step 9. After beads are on, put to middle on the folded end. Then twist. Twist until beads are secure and in place. Then repeat for about 30 times. Yay! Woo! Alright, so after you have all of your twisted wire bead combos, it is time to put together the bonsai. For this step, you might want to put on some protective gear like gardening gloves. To start, pull out 3 little bead wire things and twist it. So you want to twist at just about thumb covering that and twist down a couple inches. 1 to 2 should be fine. Repeat in groups of 2, 3, 4, and or 5 to make a variety of branch sizes. Next, pull out a couple bundles of your twisted beads and make how to make a wire bonsai video 4. So, after you have your bundles put together and then them put together in branches, you want to put them together but twist them at various heights. Like that maybe, or maybe like that. You do whatever you want, and when you twist it down, you will eventually add another one. Or you can do alternate versions, like this one, that they're all at the top, and I twisted the tree trunk around in a circle. And that's about it. Now when adding branches, you want to twist part way down and then add into your twist where you want the branch. So I've twisted a couple rounds and then I'm adding a branch. And it'll look something like